HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hey kids, let's draw some yummy popsicles. Let's draw a rectangle with curvy sides. And the ice cream stick. Join all the curvy lines just like this. Now a watermelon popsicle, a triangle, and then the stick. Add the seeds too. Easy, wasn't it? For the next one, draw the yummy popsicle and the stick. Let's add some stripes. And done! It's time to paint. First green. Add some pink. Let's use golden too. Paint the stick as well. Wow! On to the next one. Green and red for the yummy watermelon popsicle. Let's paint the seeds. Of course, don't forget the stick. For the last one, let's use some pretty purple. And sky blue too. Golden. And pink. And last, some green. Don't forget the stick again. Wasn't it so much fun drawing yummy glitter popsicles? Hi kids, don't you love eating yummy popsicles? Let's learn how to draw and paint one today. We will start by making a rectangle. Then draw a smaller rectangle for the popsicle stick. Great! Now draw a cute little heart in the center of the popsicle, just like that. Draw slanted lines across the popsicle. But don't go over the heart. Yes, just like that. Looks great already, isn't it? Let's add an outline. Yes, just keep it nice and neat. Now draw some hearts around because that's how much we love yummy popsicles. It's time to color in. Let's start with a lovely red. Now orange. Some yellow. Just keep painting. We're doing great. A pretty green color. Next is blue, a lovely hue. Time for some indigo. And lastly, violet. We'll paint the stick orange. Some pink for the heart will look great. Don't you think? Let's use the pink for the rest of the hearts too. We're almost done, kids. Here it is, our popsicle. Yummy and refreshing too. Hello kids! Look, some yummy fries. Come, let's start drawing. Start with a line and a U and another line. Now let's complete the box. Let's draw the eyes and a cute little smile. Now for the yummy French fries. It's that simple. Just keep adding long rectangles. Let's add an outline. Nice and neat. Ta-da! Begin coloring with red. Stay within the lines. And now for the fries, a bright yellow. They look so crispy. It's already looking so great and yummy. Isn't your mouth watering too? And now lastly, color in the remaining fries with orange. Yum! Our French fries are done! Hope you enjoyed them. Hey kids, let's draw my favorite fruit, a strawberry, with the leaves on top. Let's color them with green. Don't forget to stay within the lines. Red for the strawberry. The yummiest fruit of all, and healthy too. And now draw the seeds. Just like this. Color them in with yellow. It looks great! Good job! Hope you had fun! Strawberry!